Hi, so today we're going to learn about finding a string within a string, right? So substring, we have a string right here, A, B, C, D, and then where we have a CDC, so we will try to find CDC within the string, and we have two of them, right? So let's try to implement it right here. How are we going to find that? Well, we have to use something called counter and equal to 0, and after that we have a for loop. We're going to use a for loop right here, so for, and we will have index right here, and in range length of string. So we're going to traverse the string right here from the left. It will start from 0 there and until the length of the string. So, and after that we will have with is inside the for loop, we will have to compare against it with a substring, right? So if we're going to slice the string, and we will start it from index and until uh, index plus and then length of substring, right? So that makes sense, because we don't want the extra length of the string. Okay, so now we're going to compare against two substring, and we will count plus equal to 1. So that will be our answer, and right here we will return counter. So what happened? What's going on, right? So we are advancing. This right here is slicing the string, and we are counting until this 3 characters, right? ABC against CDC substring. It is not the same as CDC, so we're not going to count. We will advance, and BCD, no, and then CDC, so it's the same, and then we will advance, so that will be 1, DCD, no, and then CDC again, so that will be 2, so on, so until the string length is n, then we reach the end of the string, right? So that will be our technique for this solutions right here. Okay, uh, let's try to run this code and see if it's working correctly or not. So it is, and let's submit the code. So yeah, that's our solutions.